It's August 3rd, 2011. Printed out some images today at Santa Monica Library. Yeah, this one here, the cat's one, has a little pleat, a little wrinkle in it. Little toys that play. And so does this one. About letting God write a few lines. Now, I want to make assumptions about who may have used little toys to barack these photos here. There was this one time I was at the library and everything was going great. It was like nobody was baracking the computer. I was uploading, there was no problem. I was going to websites and there was no problem. I think I found out why. As I left, there was this Korean looking guy, studious computer geek type, and he was chasing this cat through those stacks of books, those rows. Like I said, I don't want to make assumptions, but two images involve religious censorship, cats, and God. You do the math. I'm John Brady. Come see me in person. You have to. You can't reach that phone number right there, 44229-0911. For my business post office box. For my business website. Come see me in person. That's what everyone else does.